everybody, welcome back to another quick video. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to reset your Roomba if it's acting a little differently than it should. If it's acting like a little drunk robot and going around backwards in a circle, or just not responding to commands like mine does. On occasion, gets in the mood and it needs to be reset. I'm going to first show you how to do it through the mobile app. If you don't have that available, I'm then going to show you how to do it manually on the actual Roomba itself. So let's jump right into it.
All right, everyone, we're currently on my mobile device, so make sure you have the most recent iRobot app installed on your phone. I'm going to go ahead and launch this. Make sure, obviously, you're logged into your account that the malfunctioning Roomba is linked to. Now, I have two Roombas. At the top here, you can select this little arrow for the drop-down menu, and I have two Roombas, Roomba 1 and 2. Roomba 2 is the one that's malfunctioning lately, so make sure that's selected, and we're going to scroll down here to the very bottom till you see Product Settings. Select that. And then you'll see down here towards the bottom, Reboot Roomba. So you're going to select that. It's going to tell you it might take a few minutes. You may play some audible sounds. Everything's going to be saved and then put back on the Roomba after it's been reset. So then we're going to hit Reboot Roomba. You're going to have to confirm. That's going to take a few minutes, so make sure you have enough battery power to keep it on for at least several minutes. Select OK. And that's all there is to it. So now I'll show you how to do it manually.
Okay, so to do a factory reset on your Roomba, locate the power button or the clean button. Click it once to turn it on till you see it's green and it finishes flashing. And then all you have to do is press and hold until the lights turn off. Continue pressing and holding until the lights turn back on. It usually will flash some red lights at the top and make an audible sound. Release. So you heard that sound there, so we have successfully done a factory reset.